Hello everyone and welcome back to MK's Aviation. So today we've got a very exciting unboxing on our hands today. We have hopefully the Panda models Southwest 737 in the California 1 livery. This is going to be my first Panda models unboxing. If you guys haven't seen my top 10 models that I wanted to be released, the top 3 have actually all been released. So I believe it was the American CRJ 900, the Delta CRJ 900, and this plane that have all been released in consecutive months. So that's pretty awesome. I was not expecting that at all, but without further delay, let's just open this up and we'll see what's inside. Alright, and just opening the package up, we can see that it came from the die-cast airplane store. I've bought from them a couple times now. And just taking it out of the box, we can see that it is a standard Panda Models box from what I've seen on the internet. That looks great on the bottom. And yeah, these are really small. Picture like a bigger Gemini Jet CRJ box is about the size of what this is. So it's going to be pretty small. Now let's talk a little bit about the box, as this is my first Panda models. I do like the design on it. I think it's pretty nice. I would prefer Gemini Jet's box to this, but this is a very cool design and it's just kind of unique. So I do like the black box with the like kind of metallic finish there, coat and stuff. So, and yeah, we'll open this right up and see what's inside. And just taking it out of the box, it looks fantastic. Now this is my favorite Southwest State livery. Alright, so just taking the paper off, we can remove that and look at the model. And it is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that thing. That is awesome. Now originally I wasn't going to get this because it said it was a 737-300 on their website, which was clearly wrong. It's a 700. So glad I got this one. Yeah, this is way better than anything Gemini Jets could have really done with their current mold. So yes, this is awesome. Now we'll go into greater review. Alright, so just taking a closer look at this plane. Now, no joke, my dad was actually supposed to fly this plane today in Baltimore, but there was a maintenance issue, so we ended up not, which is kind of a shame. But this plane is awesome. They did an excellent job. The mold is on point. The paint is perfect. No issue. The only issue I did have, or slight issue I should say, is that this wing over here is slightly loose, but I'm not sure if that's my fault or their fault. It could have just easily come loose in the mail, as like a lot of times when you get loose parts, it's really not the manufacturer or even the company's fault. They just kind of get slammed around in the post. So I did also tip it like that slightly hard, so I'm not sure if that was my fault or whatever. It's an easy fix. I mean, right now it's fine. There's no issue. It's just slightly loose, so I'll be sure to put a little bit of glue in there and yeah, just get it perfect. So yeah, here's the underside of the plane. Not as much detail as you would see on some other state liveries, but nonetheless, the main important thing is the top, the classic California bear on there. It looks fantastic. Here's the other side. So yeah, this is my favorite state livery by far. I'd give this model a 10 out of 10 any day. Everything about it is just on point. So yeah, I would highly recommend getting this one if you do not already have it ordered. It's probably sold out already, so if you can find it, I'd recommend getting it. Yeah, that does conclude this kind of short unboxing of this Panda Models Southwest 737-700 in the California 1 livery. Just some other news regarding model aircraft in my channel in general. We had the NG models releases come out today. They're kind of meh in my opinion. I was hoping to get at least some Southwest or Alaska model. And I'll talk more about it in my model news update this month, but it was just kind of, I don't know, with the hype train that we've got with the new 737 molds, it just kind of, I don't know. They were definitely well-rounded for sure, but they just weren't, in my personal opinion, the greatest. So in my own kind of selfish opinion, they weren't the greatest, but I can definitely respect if you thought they were good. They really weren't bad, they just weren't great in my opinion. As well, I'm probably going to order the Louisiana 1 today, just because I was saving up to get the Southwest 700s because I thought they were coming out. They didn't, so I'll use that one. part of that money to buy the Louisiana 1, which is still in stock at the airplane store. So yeah, that's going to happen. I should have a pretty cool video coming out this week, a model comparison of the Delta A321s, NG and GJ, so that'll be good. And yeah, hopefully we can get some more of these state liveries. Citrus did say that we would be getting the Missouri one kind of soon here, so hopefully NG or Panda or someone will do the Lone Star one and the Arizona one. That would be fantastic. Gemini Jets could honestly release the Nevada one. That would be kind of nice just to get a refresh with the winglets. That's kind of a boring one in my opinion, but you know, whatever. And yeah, if they Maryland one, that would be really nice to get. That would be fantastic if Panda or NG would do it. So that would be awesome. Can't wait for that. And yeah, that is gonna do it for this video. Great model, and I will see you in the next one. God bless.